Alright, so what is going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again. No, I've been MIA. Sorry about that. I am going to give you a Bronco update, and I got a new project. So, for years, I've wanted something like this. Talked about it for God knows how long. And I finally got one on a freaking deal. Yeah. Which, by the way, my buddy Dalton watches this. Appreciate you, dude. Can't wait to work with you on this project. So, I'm not going to do one of those weird little things where I keep talking and yeah, all that good stuff. Whatever. Cool, I'm going to show you the project. So, here it is. It is a 2006, I'm going to say. I don't know, we couldn't really find the VIN, but it's a 2006 Honda Sabre 1100. There we go. Like, definitely taking the handlebars off. It does have a stator issue that I have to figure out, which is probably just gonna be a new stator and rectifier and all that good stuff. And then I have to rewire the handlebar controls because why? Just why? Like I don't get it. Makes no sense. But anyways, it's a nice little bike. You know, I got it for a freaking deal. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. You know, 2006 Honda Sabre 1100. You know, got Vance and Hines pipes on it. Definitely needs a tune-up. Needs cleaning, tires. So we are going to learn together with this project. Yeah, we're gonna learn together because typically I have no idea what I'm doing and I just wing it. And guess what I'm going to do this time? I'm going to wing it and watch a lot of videos. That's what I'm doing. Watching a lot of videos and I'm going to wing it. But, yeah, that's it. Just want to show y'all the bike. Oh, I'm really excited. Golly, I'm excited. But anyways, I'm going to catch y'all next time. Peace.
And I am here to stay right now, so don't call it a comeback.